In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your home address from Google Maps. This is a quick way to boost your privacy and clean up your navigation suggestions, especially if you've moved or you just don't want a home shortcut tied to your account anymore. Start by opening Google Maps and signing in. You can use maps.google.com in a browser or the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the home address is saved. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right so you're working in the right one. Next, open the main menu. On desktop, that's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of Maps. This reveals the navigation panel that houses your lists, settings, and other tools. If you're on a phone, you'll get to the same place using the app's main navigation, but the options are named the same. Choose Saved. This section contains your starred places, lists you follow, and importantly, the places you've labeled for quick access. We're heading here because Google stores your home and work shortcuts under Saved. Go to the Labeled tab. This tab surfaces your personal labels, and you should see entries like Home and Work. If you don't see Labeled right away, scroll across the tabs at the top of the saved screen until you find it. Find the entry labeled Home. It will display the address currently attached to your profile. If the address isn't what you expect, that's a clue you might be in the wrong account, so confirm your sign-in if needed. Open the options menu for Home by clicking the three dots, usually found to the right of the Home label or at the top right of the Home card. This menu lets you edit or remove the saved address without affecting other places. Select Remove Address. If you're asked to confirm, choose Remove Again. The Home label and its stored address will be cleared from your account. After a moment, you should see that Home disappears from your labeled section, and you won't get home shortcuts in navigation suggestions anymore. A few useful notes before we wrap up. Removing your home label doesn't delete any public information about your residence on the web. It only removes the shortcut saved to your Google account. If you still see Home suggested after removal, give the app a moment to refresh or close and reopen it. And if you want to set a new home later, you can return to the labeled tab and add it back at any time. That's it. Your home address is now removed from Google Maps.